guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella. I'm back with another one. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my long-lasting coils using the Flexirod, or you can call it the bending rollers, whatever, it's fine, any name you choose, you know. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair I'll be using and there's the Flexirod I'm using. So please do watch this video to the end so you see the results. So I placed my hair on my mannequin. If you don't have a mannequin, it's fine, you just find a way around it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just like dividing my hair in section and clipping it. I'm starting from the back side of the wig, sorry. And yeah, so after doing this, I'm going to start taking out the hair in sections. Don't worry, you just see, but I'm just spraying my heat protectant, you know, just to make sure there is no damage. I know you guys will be like, what is she using a heat protectant for? Yes guys, I'm using the heat protectant because I'm using my wand, my coiling wand. Just watch and see. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. If you love hair tutorial videos, you know, hair hacks and all that, I'm that girl for you, you know. Please do subscribe, guys. Oh guys, I apologize for this. I never knew my camera was not showing what I was doing there, but don't worry, don't panic. For people who come for me. Okay, yeah, you get a clearer view of that. After using my coiling wand, I advise you don't drop your coils, because if you drop it, it's going to be loose, like very loose. Trust me guys, I'm speaking out of experience. So just like hold it. If you can't hold it, just try, do your best just for some seconds. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place this bending rollers on top of the hair. Then I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm going to wrap it very tight. Yes, I'm going to wrap it tight because it's going to give me a better result when I do that. If I don't wrap it tight, it's going to be very loose, and obviously I don't really want that, you know. So after wrapping it around, I'm just going to like bend the rods and just lock it. So what I did here with the wand, I just placed the wand on top of the hair and I started wrapping it round and round and round until it got to the end. Yes, that's just all you need to do. So I'm going to continue with this process till I get to the front section of my wig. So please keep watching, enjoy, and do not forget to like this video, share to friends. You know, if you have anything to say, or if you have anything to like, any questions, just drop it down there in the comment section, guys. So in this front section of the hair, I'm going to put the wand under, not on top. From the back section I was doing it on top, but in the front part I'm going to do it under the wand. And why I'm doing this is so that the hair will not be like so up, it's going to be flying away. It's not going to look nice anyway. I don't really know how to explain it very well, but all you have to do is for you to like put it under, then wrap it around the wand, just so that it will give you this like very flat effect. Yeah. So this is the look. I'm done with the rods. I went ahead to do my makeup and I'm taking the rods out. And guys, this is the next day. I left those rods on till the next day, yeah. So this is it. Wow, it's looking so good, guys. Like, this is what I want, obviously, yeah. Guys, check out my makeup now. I'm trying. I just did this makeup for you guys. You guys should just check it out. I tried, okay? Yeah, so I'm done taking it out. I'm going to go in with my nut oil, and just apply. You can use any serum, okay? Any serum is fine. So I'm just going to take a little. You don't need much. Then I'm just going to apply it all over the hair, then that's it. But after applying the serum, the next thing I do is I just use my fingers to like run through the coils. I'm not going to use comb. I'm just using my fingers because that's the best thing to use. Yeah. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, join the family. Just click on the subscription button and the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload or post a new video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye.